Sorry, you can see the entry like we said before that we were saying that price will come back to this OB. You see what price did. I'm sure there is news today, maybe CPI or PMI or core progressive index. You can see what happened at that exactly 1 o'clock. That's when that impulsive move strike to the upside, spike, like a great spike. So we'll be waiting for this other block. For what? For AUD, Australia dollar. So we'll be waiting for this place. Let's increase the risk to ratio. That is 59 pip. So we'll be waiting for here. Waiting at this place as our POI. So let's look at NAS. You see the same thing. NAS spike up like a very great mighty spike. Like NAS has made a new high record, or what will I say, close to a new high record. This data again. So I'm coming. So what I'm saying that NAS US 100, which is NAS US 500 and US 30 have made recent high on their trend. You know, the downtrend was because of the Iran and USA and oil that spike up. So those was the effect that affect the indices, and a lot of investors was withdrawing their money from the stock market. And you can see that the stock market was falling as at two last month, and even last month the market fell very well, but as at this month the market has started its uptrend. So this is it. This is it. You can see from this area we were saying that price will make a retracement down. So as soon as price fail to make that retracement to this other OB, after this 1 hour have closed, this 1 hour, let me make it very bold so that you will see it. This 1 hour, exactly as this 1 hour as it closed, this is where we enter the setup. You can see the very nice restoration. So we'll be waiting for the pullback to this area. So this will be our another re-entry, or if that place fails to hold, we'll take this place or we wait for here, but this will be our main entry. We wait for a solid confirmation before we enter any trade at that area. You see US 500 the same entry point, because price failed to make retracement to the downside after that formation of the 3B pattern. That is exactly when we enter the trade. That is exactly when we enter the trade. That is exactly when we enter the trade. This data again. That is exactly when we enter the trade. So the only thing you need to know is, if you are on the uptrend, you have to follow the trend. Why? Because the trend is the direction. If you trade against the trend, you have enough series of losses. So if you follow the trend will lead you to the right path. So the trend is always your friend. Follow the trend, trade with the trend. Follow the trend, trade with the trend. Your stop loss will be minimized, your risk to ratio will be maximized, in the sense that your risk to ratio will be more higher than your loss, because the trend will always move in the right direction. Okay, that is that. You know, you have to subscribe. If you not subscribe to our YouTube channel, please subscribe, because this is very important information I'm giving out. Although I know you have been trading, but please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I didn't hear you. More than what? Necessary.
Okay, that is that for today.
You never shopped me.